Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am in Manchester and I'm going to show you how the city is looking in a St Patrick's Day. But before that I just want to say a big thank you for all the people who watch my videos, who subscribe and who comment. It's a beautiful day today, around 16 degrees, and we're going around here in the city center to see how the St Patrick's Day is going. It's around 4 o'clock, so people should be out. So first area, we are here close to the Selfridges. There are a few bars here who people are going to drink Guinness, to party, different type of that stuff. So I will show you exactly how it looks like. Here is the cathedral, Manchester Cathedral. If you like, you can visit, but there it says. So a lot of bars here, Indian restaurants, Zizin, if you heard about Pho, which is Vietnamese one. So here, in the right, should be busy. We'll see what's gonna happen when we arrive there. So you can see the police here. I think they are Manchester City, no, Real Madrid fans here. Let's just go in this way. So that is not what I expect the Paddys Day people. But let's see. You can see there they are full of Real Madrid supporters, fans. Today Real Madrid and Manchester City are playing. So as you can see, there are a lot of fans there. Let's just go here up to take a nice view to see exactly how it looks like. There we go. Let's just go. So if you support Real Madrid, watch the game tonight. If you support City, watch also the game tonight. It was 3-0 for Real Madrid. I support Real Madrid. I'm a big Real Madrid fan. So you see people are on the terraces. Nice vibe today in Manchester. Okay, so now we're going to the northern quarter area to see what's happened there, because there are a few Irish pubs there, so might be busy than here. Here is usually when it's a game in town, all the visitor fans are coming here to celebrate. Of course, Manchester United fans also. So you see, it's beautiful today, beautiful weather. Okay, so let's just go to check northern quarter to see what's happened there. Before we going to the northern quarter, I just want to pop into print work. So here it's an Irish pub. I want to see how exactly is the vibe here. Maybe it's a little bit too early because it's just 4 o'clock. Maybe the big party is starting later. People are still working. So this is print work. You see? Sport bar over here. I reckon it's gonna be full later when City is playing. And that one over there on Ellis is Irish bar. They should be busy. Let's see. The decoration are out, security is there, so should be busy. Well, it's not that busy, I expect. Nice vibe there. So if you want to try an Irish pub, you can come here to Ellis. I really love this printwork building. It's very beautiful one. It's taken in a different world. If you like something cheap, alcohol, water spoon over here, walkabout over here. It's quiet at the moment. Let's see, maybe later it will be busy. Okay, so let's go to northern quarter. Next destination is gonna be northern quarter. Well, I tell you what, guys, it's look quiet. I hope it's not gonna be a failed video. We know people partying for Paddy's Day. I saw some video in Liverpool. It's full everywhere in city center. Let's see, Manchester people, they doing the same or not? Because I didn't see that many people partying. Oh, look at this. Here is full. So we are in another quarter now. It's chock-a-block, to say like that. Let's see. There are people drinking Guinness. A lot of Guinness glasses over there, which is nice to see. It's official beer in Ireland. Some bucket hats. So this area is full of terraces and it's looking very busy. People are party. They are not dressed up, but still party. Still go out for a drink. Still having a pint of Guinness. Oh, I can't believe it. Some venues are closed in a Paddys day. You missed the opportunity to make money, guys. You should open in a Paddys day because people are drinking. Let's check here around the corner because here is there are some terraces. Let's see what's happened here. This is here. It's not very busy. It's just a few people. Okay, let's keep going to the main square in Northern Quarter to see what's happened there because it's there is Irish bar also and might be busy. Yes, please, guys.
Are you recording?
Me.
No, but what for?
YouTube.
Yeah.
Ruski. no, Ruski. On for travel.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a new one.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you guys.
You enjoy Manchester?
I live in Manchester.
Oh, okay.
I just walking around to see what's happening in a Paddy's day. But it's quiet. In Liverpool it was busy. Very busy. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you guys. See you. So yeah, I just meet these nice guys and we keep walking to see what's happened. Here there are some Irish pubs and might be busy. Let's see. Oh, it's look busy here. It's looking very busy. Let's see what's happened. Check this out. This is the Irish pub. This one over here. Nancy, Spain. They have a live music inside, so absolutely busy. Let's keep walking. Look, people dress for the occasion. Oh yeah, this is the atmosphere what I'm talking about. You see here, guys. Check this out. So that one over there, Salmon of Knowledge, is another Irish pub. Let's let this bus to go. Come on, Flex. Oh, here is looking good. It's busy. It's busy. Busy. Later probably it's gonna be even busy than now. Check this out, guys. So I say Manchester is not party, obviously they're party, you see. A lot of people here. Check this out. Absolutely chock-a-block here. Take a shot of here. Okay, now let's just go to discover other areas to see what's happening in other areas. We are here in Piccadilly Garden and you can see there are this street food here. I'll recommend you to try because the food is very good. I need to do a review about this food. I don't know if you watch my videos, but this area is a little bit dangerous, so you need to watch out here if you visit Manchester. So I'm looking around to see what's happened because I don't want to be in danger. Look, this area here, one of the busiest area in Manchester. Everybody's here. So let's just go and I want to show you how Market Street is look like. We see what else we can find, because it's a Paddy's Day, a big day in Irish culture today. So check this out, guys. This is Market Street. You see how busy it is. I think it's busy like that because of the game also, not just because of Paddy's Day. Because there are a lot of people who are going to watch the game. It's a very big game, Manchester City with Real Madrid. Check this out. I arrive in St Anne Square, and here it's an Irish festival. Let's go to check this out to see how it looks like and to see how busy it is, because it's almost 5 o'clock and we want to see what's happened. So look, there are some street food here, but there in the front of me is the Irish festival. They have like a big tent. Let's see. I will not go inside because I don't want to film inside. I will just take you around to see. And I don't want to get some copyright music also, guys, you know, because it's dangerous in these days. Check this out. A big Guinness bar over there. So, can I go to film inside? Let's just go to see what exactly is happening. Big Irish festival, you see, guys, the Irish festival village. I reckon it's a live music here. I'll stay here on the side. That's it. It's very loud there, so I don't think you can hear me properly. So let's just go to find more action. I'm on Disgay Street. Let's see what's happened here. Some people over there. It's not very busy. Not how it used to be in other years. Probably because it's a little bit too early. That's not an excuse. Let's try to cross here. Yeah, I'm going for. You see? Guys, it's not busy at all. It's quiet actually. Well, I understand a lot of people are working today. Maybe one of the reasons is that later probably it's gonna be much busiest. In Liverpool, it's a big Irish community and a lot of Irish pubs. Check this out, box, it's empty. And maybe that's the reason why a lot of people are partying there. In Manchester, it's a little bit less than Liverpool. Who knows? If you know, let me know in a comment. But yeah, it's looking quiet. We keep going on this gate to see. Yeah, I think all the people will going out later after 8 o'clock. But again, it's a little bit tricky because tomorrow if people are working, they can't really get very drunk, you know. You don't want to be hangover at work. It's the worst feeling ever. Manhattan is quiet also. So here, usually in a weekend, it's very busy. Here around the corner, I will show you exactly, because we're walking in that area. I'll show you a little bit parts of Manchester where you guys can go. So you see, you have the Revolution de Cuba, Dirty Martini. It's always busy here. So over there, where is that building where it's saying coming soon? It's gonna be a Irish pub. So I'm very curious from that one because they should do well, especially in this area, because this area is very busy. Look over there. NQ64 if you want to go to play some games with friends or partner. Over there it's another Irish pub, but it's looking quiet. I think I will stop the video here because it's not other stuff to see. Let's just look over there. So yeah, let's just stop the video here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, because it's helped me a lot. and I will see you in the next video. Happy Paddy's Day.